Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to adjust your date and time on your photos on iPhone. So first you tap on the photo and then you tap on the icon there and then tap on adjust. Then you can just there it says original and adjusted. So originally it was taken on the 20th of March, and then so I can just tap on the date I want this photo to be adjusted, and then the time, and I could also change the time zone. And then once you're done, you can just tap on adjust on the top right corner, and so there it says the original photo will be adjusted by -5 days, 1 hour and 47 seconds, and then that's it. It will save automatically. So I hope this video is useful, and thank you for watching.